water cycle, there are 3 main steps. Tell me 3 steps. Number 1.
Evaporation.
Very good. Second.
Condensation.
Third.
Precipitation.
Okay, we need water for what purpose?
Drinking, bathing, cooking, washing clothes, and cleaning watering plants, cleaning house.
Okay, because of boiling, dash destroys present in water.
Boiling destroys germs present in water.
Okay, tell me, birds needs water or not?
Need water.
Yes. Plants need water.
Yes.
For what purpose plants need water? Plants needs water to grow.
Water to grow.
Very good.